Okay, cockpit combings are finished. Came out pretty nice, acceptable. I still have to clean up the gel coat around the edge there, so I'll tape this off with masking tape, some nice 3M masking tape that won't pull off the finish or leave glue behind. So always buy the good 3M tape. Doesn't pay to buy the cheap crap. Yeah, then I'll tape this off real nice, and then I'll color sand the gel coat, probably with 1500 grit sandpaper, then 2000. Then I'll compound it and wax it and just blend it into the rest of this. It's there's a little blemish there as well I got to get rid of. Yeah, came out all right. The epoxy filled the gaps in real nice. Here, stuck that down real nice, filled up the gap in there. Color's good, smooth enough. Yeah, happy with that. And yeah, I'm getting some video editing software, and when I do, I'll put together more detailed videos instead of splitting them up into part 1 and part 2. These last 9 videos were all single takes, and when I have the editing software, then I'll be able to draw diagrams in there and stitch together proper videos. Hope you guys like it. Leave any comments or questions, subjects you want covered in the future, just let me know. Hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. And this is a 1984 Catalina 27. There's the numbers there. What is this? 5591. Hole number 5591. So it's pretty late in the production run. Got to clean up and rebed the stanchions. That's coming up as well. And I'm going to get rid of these, and I have a special episode coming up on what I'm going to do to get rid of those and fix that up properly. I got footage about rebuilding the pedestal, the steering cables, all that stuff, the quadrant. Everything's getting done on this boat. Completely rewired. I'll have lots of footage on that. And then, yeah, she'll be nice when I'm done. Still got quite a bit to do, but yeah, she'll be in tip-top shape once again, especially with the upgrades that I plan on doing. You'll like them, I assure you. No one else is doing this stuff properly on YouTube, and I'm going to be the first one. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.